Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to book a new patient emergency appointment. A new patient is defined as a patient who does not have an electronic file at the practice. An emergency is a serious, unexpected, and often dangerous medical situation that requires immediate action. In most cases, emergency patients walk into the practice without making an appointment beforehand. An emergency booking type will give the practitioner a clear indication to know which patient to help first. Because this patient has walked into the practice, their booking status will immediately be marked as arrived. Thus, you need to set up your emergency booking type with its linked booking status in your settings. Please refer to the booking types user manual link in this video's description. On the correct diary, either double-click on the time slot or click on the New Booking button in the top right corner. The Add/Edit Booking screen will open. Complete the fields in the Booking Details section. Take note that in the Booking Details section, you need to select the Emergency option from the Booking Type drop-down menu. Because we chose the Emergency booking type, the booking status will automatically change to Arrived. Because this new patient does not have an existing electronic file yet, we can skip the Data/Patient search field. In order to create the booking quickly, complete the required fields in the Data Details section that are indicated by a red asterisk. This includes the dater's name, surname, cell phone number, ID number, and medical aid details. Once the fields are completed, click on the Duplicate Dater button in the Patient Details section to duplicate the dater as a patient as well. Now you can either click on the Close button to exit the screen without saving, or click on the Save button to save the new patient's emergency booking. The new patient's emergency booking will appear on the diary. After the patient is treated, they can provide the rest of their information to fully complete their new file at the practice. To do this, simply click on the new patient's emergency booking and click on the Dater Add button in the diary sidebar. The Data Details screen will open, where the rest of the new patient's information can be completed. Click on the Save button to save the new patient's completed information.